What's up, Daily Gamers? This is boy King Son Gaming here. Sorry that we missed yesterday and the day before because I've been busy. I haven't been doing anything. I just don't want to do videos and stuff because I'm getting really tired of them. And we have a lot of build. We have a lot of working to do. Should be in first place, by the way, too. Like everybody's super tight. I might go down league. Possibility of me going down league, you guys. Let's try and hope that doesn't happen. No! Why do that? See, this is why I'm losing so many games. Because I keep making mistakes. And then I lose a lead for a long time. That's why I keep losing. Yeah, these Halloween hats are definitely not working. Yeah, this is the worst I've ever done, actually. I started off super good this tournament, and then I just went down. I wasn't playing a lot. Cause I should be more focused on this game than freaking angry Alrighty. Oh my gosh. Not doing well, man. Not at all. Ew. That's nasty. Who?
You're doing great. You want to spin the wheel and try to get some more? Let's go.
It actually looks like we're gonna have to watch a video and I didn't pause it because I want to just get through it. It doesn't matter. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to win this. Yeah, I lost this, guys. Alright, so you know what? We have to change our hats because we're not doing well with these hats. If I have no hats at all, that's not gonna be good. That's not gonna be better. I've only gotten the first once in this update. That's bad. So alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna change these hats. I'm not gonna buy another wig because I'm saving up for a cowboy hat. I'll go with the crown set because it works a lot. Or it works a lot. The crown set works a lot. This very same setup gave me a first place. Alright, so we're back. I don't know why I keep filming the ads. I don't know why, because I'm just more recording time. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna lose again. No! I don't want to do that. God damn. I'm just wasting my birds here. I'm not even doing well. If I don't win this, these birds definitely do need work. Cause once they'll be weak, and then one time they'll be really, really good. If I would win a match, I would only get 5, 6, and 7s. That's basically all I got this tournament. I never got a 10. I only got like 2 9s. That's it. That's how bad I'm doing. If we lose this, these birds do need work. From now on until the tournament ends, if we lose another battle, these birds do need practice. These birds do need work. Since I almost lost that, now these birds do need work, so we're gonna practice some levels. Until I'm not gonna do another arena battle until these birds are ready to beat some people.
With increased speed of 2 of our most popular plans. Click, call, or visit an Xfinity store today. Take them for a brand new Buick. Buick introduces the refined new SUV. It's any.
For my regular channel, I already made 2 reactions, and I'm not gonna make another one because I don't really feel like making another one.
And yes, it's a Buick.
I should, but I don't feel like making another one.
Holidays with the new Buick. Get cash back for 16% of the MSRP on select 2016 vehicles in stock.
I know I'm kind of lazy on my YouTube channel, but I don't really want it no more.
Tonight on ABC, it all starts with Disney's Prep and Landing right now.
That's what I want right now. I want more snow. That snow is nothing. That's not really our first snow. That's not our first snow of the season that we got overnight. That's not our first snow. That was like just frost and some stuff. I should have took a picture, but I'm not. We should be able to win this. No! That's not what I wanted. Look, you made him catch up now. I could have kept the lead if that wasn't that for that freaking bird. Oh my god, I'm about to lose the lead again.
Have you ever wondered how it all gets done? How Santa gets in and out of millions of homes, all in one night? Let's just say...
Stop doing that. Bro, if I win this is luck.
The operation has its challenges.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose this battle. That's another... Alright. So what we're gonna do to improve my birds is we're gonna practice some levels.
Our mission statement.
Because these birds do need work. Because we lost 2 games in a row.
I'm part of Prep and Landing. An elite
There's no way I'm going to get a first place if I keep on losing these type of levels, these type of games. And it's being laggy.